I hate this. I'm throwing this away after this video, and I hate to say that because I don't like throwing things away. Oh my gosh, did I set it for 20 minutes? I think I did. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another fun installment where I rate PR packages in 20 seconds or less, usually more because y'all know that I love to talk and I can't stop talking. But I love this series on my channel. I will link the playlist down below. I get so much PR every month. Thank you to all the wonderful brands who send me products because I'm a product junkie at heart. I love sharing and I love being able to give you guys 100% honest, unsponsored, and sometimes unfiltered reviews. I pride myself on that because so many people will sell their soul for a check. I'm not selling it for a check, an arm, a leg, a product, a brand trip, anything, my own line. I believe honesty is best, and like I always say, I might love something, but you may hate it for that reason and vice versa. So I always think it's important for me to share both sides of the spectrum. I'm gonna talk about things I love today and some things that I necessarily don't love, but you might find something that you love in this list. So I'm always going to be honest, and I know you guys appreciate it. I also try to give myself 20 seconds because I love to talk. So let me first start by drinking some water because I've been filming for a few hours and I feel like I'm going to lose my voice. Brands send me all these products for consideration. I'm not obligated to talk about them, like it, love it, hate it, anything of the sort. I do not take PR where brands tell me I have to post or I have to speak favorably about their products because my opinion is my opinion, and you know what they say about opinions. Yeah, so let's jump right in. We have a lot of goodies to talk about. Oh, I'm nervous. Let's start with the Farmacy 1% Vitamin A Retinol Serum. Retinol is basically my favorite skincare ingredient because it speeds up skin cell turnover, which means at age 65, it may take you 70 days to regenerate new cells. Probably not, but at age 25, it may take you 30. So the older you get, the longer it takes for your cells to regenerate. So you want something that's going to help speed that up because that's how you get renewed cells and look younger and brighter and more luminous and all that good stuff. So 20 seconds on the clock. I did not like this. Boo. Okay, I won't say boo because it's not bad. I used to be a pharmacy ambassador, then they cut the program because it was being run by some very, very unprofessional people. Maybe one day I'll get into a story time about that. Oh my gosh, did I set it for 20 minutes? I think I did. Well, it's a good thing I bought us some more time because I was just running my mouth. 20 seconds on the clock, not 20 minutes. Wow. This feels oily. So if you have dry skin or sensitive skin, you might like this. Another reason why I didn't necessarily like it, it's only 1% vitamin A or retinol, and I like a 2% or a 2.5. So if you have sensitive or dry skin, you're gonna like this. For me, no. So yeah, for me, it was a no-go. I will save this to use if I run out of a retinol. I prefer the Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion PM because it's very, very liquidy and it's not greasy. This felt greasy, and even though it's just at night, you should only use a retinol at night and make sure you use the sunscreen during the day. I didn't prefer the texture. I am way over my 20 seconds. Anyway, I'm very texture specific. So if you like something that feels very hydrating and oily, you may like this. It was too heavy for me. No, thank you. Okay, next let's get into this line that sent me products for Acne Awareness Month. Vichy Laboratories, hopefully I'm saying it correctly. They sent me their Normaderm collection, which is an acne control line. So the first product is the Normaderm Phyto Action Acne Control Daily Moisturizer. It's oil-free, non-comedogenic, paraben-free, and I believe it has some salicylic acid. I've never used a moisturizer that has salicylic acid, so let's discuss. 20 seconds on the clock. I liked this. It's oil-free. It smells nice. It's very herbal and medicinal. I do also like that it has a salicylic acid, but sometimes that can be too drying. So I think this would be nice to use, and I will continue to use it. Oh my gosh, when I'm breaking out. Whew, made it, just barely. So this was nice, but it wasn't hydrating enough. And that's the problem with people like myself who are oily and acneic. You really have to ride the fine line between being dehydrated and dry and like getting scaly skin, or being overly moisturized, hydrated, and oily. I like it. I will use it when I'm breaking out actively. Our visitor is here right now, so we're not breaking out, hallelujah. So this is a fine product for me, but I won't use it every day. I do like it though. Okay, next let's talk about the Vichy Normaderm Phyto Action Daily Deep Cleansing Gel for oily and acne prone skin. 20 seconds on the clock. I liked this. The texture is just too liquidy. I don't even know if you guys can see it. I'll try to do a close-up shot. It's a very thin gel that feels almost frothy. So I don't like the texture. I like my gel cleansers to be a little thicker, but it is nice. It is effective. It has salicylic acid. I almost made it. It's nice, it's effective. I didn't care for the texture of it, but it's very effective. Once again, it has that really fresh scent to it, very herbal. I really like this brand. It's backed by science, and you can tell this cleanser just makes my face feel very clean. I will use it. I'm not of the thought school that you need to spend $40 on fancy cleansers. I think anything basic will usually work just fine. Okay, my next product is the Vichy Laboratories Normaderm BHA Exfoliating Serum, and this is a salicylic acne treatment serum, kind of like a toner. 20 seconds on the clock. I really liked this. The only con for me is that you have to use it with a toner pad, like a cotton pad, and I don't like that. But it does help to exfoliate, brighten, and control acne and shine. So I do like it. I will continue to use it. I don't prefer the dispensing mechanism. I'm doing a little better this time, y'all. I almost made it. I don't prefer the packaging and how it dispenses, but it's a great product overall, and it also helps to exfoliate, so this is nice. If you want something that you can use lightweight during the day that won't be like a paste, this is really nice because it has the consistency of like a toner. So I really do enjoy that. And the last product from their line is the Normaderm SOS Acne Rescue Spot Corrector, a sulfur acne treatment. Don't forget that. 20 seconds on the clock. This is nice. It just smells like sulfur, and if you have the medical condition acne like myself and you've been to a dermatologist, they always put you on some type of sulfa or sulfur something. It makes my stomach hurt, but it's very effective. It works so well at clearing up active breakouts. Almost. Specifically, if you get hormonal acne and you get cystic acne, I can put this on my skin, wake up the next morning, and the acne is like flat to my skin. So this is very effective, but if you have a sulfur allergy or you can't stand the smell of sulfur like myself, this might not be best for you. I'm just going to only use it at night right before I hop into bed so I don't have time to smell it. It is very effective, really, really, really great. Thank you so much to Vichy Laboratories for sending over your Normaderm line for Acne Awareness Month. I found that to be very, very effective. Okay, next let's get into another Farmacy product. Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Clearing Toner with Moringa and Papaya, whatever that is. Okay, so basically the same problem I had with that other acne toner. I don't like that you have to use a pad with this. I just feel like it's wasteful. Once I started using the Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads, like those are my favorite. But if you like a light daily exfoliation, this would be great. Also, if you have oily skin, it gives you smoother skin because it exfoliates. It also helps to kind of make the appearance of your pores look a little smaller. It doesn't have a scent, which is nice. Well, it has a tiny bit of a scent, but it doesn't smell like their honey line, which smells like hot breath, which I hate. So it's not a bad product. I just don't like that it has a glass container because I don't want it to slip out of my hands and drop it. And I also don't like that you have to use a cotton pad, but it is great. It is effective. If you like a daily exfoliating toner, you will probably love it. Next up, I love, surprise, surprise. Let's talk about the Inkey List Polyglumatic Acid Dewy Sunscreen SPF 30 and the Let's put 20 seconds on the clock. I love this. This is going to be, well, it already has become my new favorite sunscreen when I'm outside. If I sit outside at my pool, I wear this sunscreen. Polyglumatic acid is like a more intense version of hyaluronic acid. That's okay, we're gonna keep talking. It's basically like a thicker, more intense hydrating component. This is such a nice hydrating sunscreen that really makes you glow, doesn't make you look ashy or it has a white cast, nothing like that. I love this. If you're looking for a really effective hydrating sunscreen for your face, try out the Inkey List Polyglumatic Acid Sunscreen. Very effective and it's not expensive. Y'all know I can tend to like some pricey products, but I'm not opposed for using something that's just simple and effective, and that is what this is. So shout out to the Inkey List. I'm really doing bad with my 20 seconds on the clock, but it's okay. Next product, the Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb, which, surprise, surprise, y'all already know that I love this. So this is a staple for me, one of my favorite moisturizers for fall and winter for oily skin because it hydrates your skin without making you oily. I've been using this for almost a decade. I love it. If you have oily skin in the cooler months, try it out. You'll love it. So shout out to me. I beat the clock. This is amazing. Okay, here we go. Glow Recipe. Y'all know I have a love-hate relationship with Glow Recipe. My next product is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm to hydrate, plump, and moisturize. Let's put 20 seconds on the clock. Y'all can already tell about how I announce the product, whether or not I'm gonna like it, because y'all know me so well. I hate this. It is so thick and like gloopy. It feels like it's just so thick. Literally, I'll show you. I've used the tiniest amount from it, but it is so thick and sticky on your lips. It's supposed to be a balm. Okay, I'm about to run out of time. It's supposed to be a balm, but it feels like the thickest, stickiest version of Vaseline. I hate this. If you like really thick products, you may like it. I'm throwing this away after this video, and I hate to say that because I don't like throwing things away, but I'm never gonna use this. I have heard a few of you guys say you love it. We talked about it in DMs. I'm glad there's someone out there who loves this product, but she is not that girl. Next, let's talk about a product that Clean Skin Club sent me, and this is the Stem Cell Plus Brightening Eye Cream. Let's put 20 seconds on the clock. And this has matcha, orchid stem cells, and turmeric. So here's the thing. This is actually colored to look green. Now, I think that that is why it is so brightening. To me, it didn't do anything lasting to be very brightening, but the color green helps combat sallowness and helps to brighten your skin. This is very hydrating and lightweight though, so it's great for use during the day. I can't speak to whether or not it really truly brightened my under eye, but then again, I also don't have lots of dark circles under my eye. I do like this though. I don't know about the brightening. It might be like a color corrector eye cream, but it is hydrating, so I will continue to use this. I don't think I'd purchase it though. Okay, and the last two products are from Bioderma. The first is the Pigment Bio Foaming Cream Cleanser, and this is a 6% AHA brightening cleanser for your body and face that exfoliates and leaves your skin more luminous. So they say this is great for sensitive skin. You can use it on your face and your body. It is a cream product. I like this. I just don't prefer a physical exfoliant. This is chemical and physical though, because it does have exfoliating light beads in it, but it also has AHAs. Alpha hydroxy acids. So I like this, but not too much. Maybe I'll use it for my body. On my face, I wasn't really a fan, but I'll use this on my underarms to help lighten them. Yeah. Okay, my next product is the Bioderma Pigment Bio Targeted Brightening Care. And this is basically a cream to help brighten areas of your skin, such as your underarms, your groin, thighs, your bikini area, any place like that. I used it, but I didn't use it enough. Oh, I didn't even put 20 seconds on the clock. My goodness. I stole some time there. I used this, but I didn't use it long enough because I don't like having to put a cream under my arm and then having to follow up with my cream deodorant because I use the Mega Babe cream deodorant. So I'll probably use this on my bikini area, but under my arms I didn't like it, so I didn't use it long enough. The jury is still out on these two products, but I did want to give you my initial review. I don't like this on my face, and I don't like this on my underarms. So I will use these products, this in the shower for my underarms and my bikini area. But then it's like, do I really want to use another cleanser in the shower? No. So I will use this on my bikini area at night, and I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully I remember to use it because at the end of the night, I just want to get in bed. I'll just be honest. So those are all the products I had to share with you guys today for this honest PR review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you're still loving this series. I just think it's kind of fun. I know that the YouTube community overall is kind of over beauty products, but I like to stay true to who I am as a beauty influencer. And I love products and I love reviewing them. So I hope that these reviews are helpful. Love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.